One of my videos is making $1 per 1,000 views, another is making $10 per 1,000 views. Now, if you're thinking that that's a big difference, well, you'll be surprised to know that there are videos from other channels that are making even more money than that, like $20 or even $40 per 1,000 views. And if you're wondering why this is happening and why there is such a big difference from video to video, you're on the right place, because that is exactly what I'm going to answer in this video. Now, before I start telling you anything, you need to understand these two simple things, and they are CPM and RPM. Without understanding these two YouTube metrics, it would be almost impossible for you to understand how making money on YouTube works. So let me briefly explain them. CPM, which stands for cost per mil, is the amount of money advertisers pay YouTube per 1,000 impressions on their ads. And RPM, which stands for revenue per mil, is the amount of money you get as a monetized YouTuber after YouTube takes its cut, which is 45%. So the amount of money you're going to make for 1,000 views depends on how high your RPM is. There are many factors that's gonna dictate how high your RPM is going to be, but I'm going to share with you the main three ones, which are location of your audience, length of your video, and topic. Let's start with location of your audience, and this one is an important one. If your viewers are from developed countries, then you're going to make more money than if they're watching your videos from developing countries. Because in developed countries, advertisers have more budgets for their ads, unlike in developing countries. For example, if someone from the US watches your video, you're going to make significantly more money than if someone watches your video from a country like India or the Philippines. On to the next one, which is length of your video. This one can drastically increase your RPM. If your video is longer than 8 minutes, you can put mid-roll ads in the middle of your video. Now, depending on how long your videos are, you can put a lot of ads in your video and increase your RPM. In some cases, you can double or triple the amount of money you're making from YouTube just by putting mid-roll ads in between your videos. Now let's talk about the last one, which is topic of your video. This one is going to dictate how high your RPM is going to be more than any other factors that I've covered in this video by far. Advertisers has to pay different amount of money to YouTube depending on their topic. Usually, educational videos make more money per 1,000 views than entertainment videos. I'll put a list of YouTube niche and how much money you can expect to make from those videos, assuming you're making those videos for an English-speaking audience. Okay, and that's about it. Now I hope that you have a better idea of how much money you could probably make from YouTube. Now, if you want to learn how to join the YouTube Partner Program and start making money, watch this video, and I'll see you there.